What's up guys, welcome back to another video. With the Apple official event is just a few days away, where we are going to see the iPhone 14 series. The leaks and rumors are not stopping. Every single day we are seeing multiple leaks and rumors regarding the iPhone 14 Pro models. Now today is not a different day. We have got the first ever video look for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro model that is coming from an unknown source, and it shows something very interesting. We also have a very exclusive first look at the always on display that is coming for the first time in iPhone ever. More secrets regarding the functionality of the pill-shaped cutout shows that the Apple is making ugly work. Now first of all, we are going to talk about this new video that is coming from an unknown source from China, which showcases that the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro model will basically have a control center where we have a setting which user has the option to turn on and off these depth pixel. This is going to be a very interesting thing because right now if you look at that long notch on the front of the Apple device, I definitely did not recommend that Apple should do that because it is looking ugly. Now as far as the credibility of the source, it is still unknown that whether this is going to be true or not, and we have to wait and see up till the official announcement. Now the pill-shaped cutout is looking ugly, there is no doubt about that, but it will have some functions to it, as we know that the depth pixel will showcase privacy indicator. Now if we add up all these things, it will make sense for them to go for this look. Now according to 9to5 Mac, because of this more space thanks to this pill-shaped cutout, Apple could be bringing the classic battery indicators on the right side and move the signal towards the left hand side. Apple is also said to be redesigning the whole camera app for the iPhone 14 Pro. Apparently, these upper controls could move further upwards towards that space that is being created by this pill-shaped cutout, giving you a larger camera viewfinder area. And if you talk about the camera, there is going to be a new 48 megapixel camera sensor coming to iPhone 14 Pro models, and it is going to be coming with very promising features. I can't wait to see the real life performance of these cameras. Now according to Mac rumor, the iPhone 14 Pro always on display will feature integration with notification depth effect and will have a unique style of melting the wallpaper and the color in the background. This honestly looks pretty good, and according to Mac rumors, Apple will allow some level of customization to the always on display mode. User can even enable notification counter at the bottom of the screen, which is nice thing. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Every day there is a new leak is coming for the iPhone 14 series. So if you want to keep yourself updated, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.